So today's video regarding HP DeskJet 3637 all-in-one printer. So I'm going to show you how to do the Wi-Fi setup with your iPhone today. So first step is to switch on the printer. So press the power button on. Also load the A4 size sheets at the rear paper tray and open the paper output tray. So once your printer is on, we go on the display panel and we enter this printer into the setup mode. We have to press and hold the cancel button and wireless button until power button starts to flash. Now release the button once you see the power button is flashing and wait for a few seconds. You will see it will stop flashing, the light will stay continue and the wireless light, blue light will start to flash. That means your printer is ready for the setup. Now go to your iPhone and open the HP Smart app. You can download this app from the App Store if you don't have it. Now we need to add the printer here so that we can connect it with the Wi-Fi of your home or office. So click on the plus button on the top. Now on the next screen you see add printer button, click on that, and then you see the set up a new printer, click on that. Now it will give you the instruction, open the Wi-Fi setting of your phone. In the Wi-Fi setting look for HP setup 3630 and click on it. Once it is connected, go back and open the HP Smart app again. You will see the screen, it says connect printer to Wi-Fi. Now it will show you the name of the Wi-Fi network where your iPhone is connected, and to the same network your printer will be connected. So enter the password of your Wi-Fi and click on the connect button. You will see it says connecting printer to the Wi-Fi and there are few steps in that. So you will see the screen, it says printer connected to the Wi-Fi and click on the continue button. On the next screen you see enjoy HP benefits, so you just have to click on the continue button, and if you want to join then you can do it, otherwise just cancel it, and you will get an option here skip warranty and account activation, click on that. And if you want you can choose HP Instant Ink, or you can get it at a regular price and click on the continue button and skip it. You also get option if you want to send a link for other devices for the same app, or you can skip this step. So here is the final confirmation page, setup complete, let's print. So click on the print button. So here we can see the printer has printed this page, that is a welcome sheet, and your printer is connected with the Wi-Fi network of your home and office. So once it is added, it displays all the details, and now you can do the wireless printing and scanning using it. Thanks for watching.